folks, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston again. We're here to introduce our new 250 SDX from Sea Ray. This is a brand new model that just was introduced. We happen to have one of the first ones at our boat show this past weekend. So hopefully if you were at the show you got to see it, but if not, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of it to showcase it. This particular one has a horizon gray hull color, as well as the 300 white Dorado on the back, and as well as the optional activity tower in the black powder coating. Alright, so now we're on the inside of the cockpit of our new Sea Ray 250 SDX. I'm going to show you three noticeable innovations that Sea Ray's done with this particular model. First, we're going to show you this converting aft seat. Traditional aft bench seat here. If you grab from the center of this bolster and pick up, it'll slide back and convert to an aft seat. But not only, you grab this latch here, you pull backwards, now you just extended your swim platform to an entertaining setup. This is where everybody's going to come up, swim, jump off the back of the boat. Nice, clean, easy space to work with. You also have a toy compartment in the back here, sliding your wakeboard, your skis, and your tubing equipment. We have charging ports in the back, 12 volt as well as USB. And as you can tell, we've got the speaker set up for the swimming sandbar party, as well as the optional remote and the aft transom, as well as your freshwater sprayer. So just to give you another angle of the transom here, notice this functional space. We have the aft swimming ladder off the back, nice big heavy duty, but as well as you notice they've integrated and they filled in the splash well, the traditional splash well. So now it's a nice functional swim deck. You can do optional sea decking back here for a little more comfort and a little more styling. Alright, so we're going to show you some key functions and storage in this cockpit area. You have a nice flip hinged backrest or seat here. You got your dedicated table storage, as well as easy access to your ski locker that was connected to the back. We have cup holders throughout. Notice our table mount here, and as well as we've got the battery tender on this one as an option. Integrated right here. Notice the nice LED track lighting, so everything glows nice and blue at night. We also have a traditional ski locker in the floor. So we have two ski lockers, and you see the tables dedicated down low as well. Alright, so we're at the helm here. Just wanted to show you the Sea Ray dynamic dash. We've got the 9-inch Simrad system here. Shows you all your switching, your systems, as well as your engine data. You can upgrade this to a 12-inch if you do like a little more screen. We've got the active trim on this one as well. So you can just take off with the throttle and not have to adjust any of the trim settings on the boat. It'll adjust to your payload. We also have the flip bolsters, both port and starboard, so you can convert the lounge to an entertaining space. But I want to show you a key detail here, the head cuddy cabin area. So as you can see, we've got the plumb porta potty system. So with a pump out, you have a head cuddy area, and you can drop this platform down here, and now you have a nice large cuddy area. I'm 6 foot. Again, I'm sure you've heard me mention, but you can sit nice and comfortably and lay down if you need be. Nice place for kids if they need to get out of the heat for a little bit. Also have nice little glove box storage there as well. So now we're in the bow area. Notice we have this side walk-through versus the traditional split windshield. You can still easily convert it in the colder weathers to allow to break the wind. Moving forward, huge bow lounge area. Okay, so we have a secondary cooler set up with tension hinges for your bow area guests, as well as pads, storage underneath. We have a secondary bow table in the front. We still get the integrated bow ladder, as well as the dedicated storage for your anchor system. We also have freshwater shower in the bow, as well as the stern. There's an optional bow feature, or bow filler feature, that we have equipped on this boat, and we'll showcase that here in a second. Alrighty, now we're going to showcase the bow filler option set in. As you can tell, it's a huge bed area. Once you convert this, you still have easy access to your cup holders and charging ports both on starboard and port side. You can fit 3 to 4 people up here very, very comfortably in a nice day cruising area. So I hope you guys enjoyed our walkthrough of our brand new Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to see more, feel free to visit us at MarineMax.com, and make sure you like us on Facebook and Instagram. Again, my name is Dotson. I hope you guys enjoyed your tour.